So, with spring around the corner, or I guess officially it is spring now, with summer around the corner, I'm getting all the motorcycles ready for the summer. So, I just finished putting together my 2006 Yamaha R1, which is one of the dedicated track bikes. Had a little low side last year, little scuff marks. I put everything back together. Superficial damage, my own stupidity, going out in the session without tire warmers and having a low side in turn one, which is really, really dumb of me, but whatever. Your friends rip on you, you move on, and that's it. So this girl is ready to go. Here is my 2004 Yamaha Run, which is basically I would call this my daily, I guess. It's the one that I've had the longest and the one that I'm super comfortable with and really enjoy. It looks really, really good too. So I want to do a little showpiece on that because it's got some cool parts and stuff, and it's nice. Moving over here is my 2013 ZX10R that I just picked up. So here are my track fairings. So it's going to be a dedicated track bike. I'll probably bring both bikes, and I might end up selling my 06. But I might not, because I'm, like many of you, I'm a freaking hoarder when it comes to bikes, and I just can't get rid of them. But, what are you going to do? So getting this girl ready is a funny story behind this. It was actually owned by an older gentleman. Took it to the track last year. He ended up having a low side, and he brought it to Hybrid Racing, which is my buddy's shop, to fix. And it was very superficial damage. So there was a little dent on, as you can see here, on the gas tank. So I'm going to show up camera. Put on a new clip-on, and he actually changed the rear tire. So it's a Q3 brand new. But I'm going to be swapping out the tires because I'm not using Q3s for the track. I'm going to be going with Dunlop slicks. And yeah, so he originally wanted, it only has like 27,000 kilometers, and so I don't know, like 22,000 miles maybe, give or take. And he was gonna ask for about 8,500 because it was the end of season last year when this happened, and he just wanted to get rid of it. But at the same time, he just decided that he wanted 8,500 or whatever it was, that ballpark figure, but then he told John Hybrid Racing that he'll go as low as 3,500. So right away, John called me and we just made a deal, and that's how much I picked it up for, which is a steal. Gonna get rid of the power commander. I got the ECU flash, and I was gonna go through more Mafia in the US, but I decided to go with Turcotte Performance because they're more or less the equivalent here in Canada. And all the guys that work at Turcotte are, super helpful with everything. They did the same, had a really good discussion with them, how the same type of flash that they do, that More Mafia does. And they have Canadian Superbike experience. So all those guys that worked there did a lot of racing for years and years, and they still sponsor race teams, and so they know what they're doing. I ended up sending my ECU there, so I just got to put the ECU back in here. I'm just going to get rid of the power commander, write it the way it is, and then decide if I need to do an A-tune. But I think it's going to be good that way. Now, my RC51 and my 2006 Yamaha 1SP, they're still in storage, but they're going to be coming out soon. What sucks about having this many bikes, and some of you already may know this, is maintenance. So new tires that I need on here. May need an oil change for this one. Oil change is done for this one, but I don't know how much I got left on the tires here. So this is probably gonna need new tires. Picking up a set of rims, tires for this one. Now this one here, I want to do a sound off between this and the RC. As a matter of fact, I want to do a sound off between all the bikes. This has got stock pipes, but they've been hollowed out, so the baffle's been removed. Shortened double exhaust, so there's some custom work to those double exhausts, and you can't buy those anymore, and they sound awesome. Really, they sound really, really good. M4 exhaust on the ZX10. This is not mine. This is an old R6 that belongs to Hybrid Racing. Just storing it here for now. This is gonna have a sound off with the RC, and I can't wait to do that because this sounds absolutely phenomenal. This is gonna need maintenance as well. It does need an oil change. As you can see here, we have our Rotobox carbon fiber custom wheels. A little design there, but I don't want to give too much away what this is. So I'm gonna be changing them to the BST carbon fibers that I already have. It actually came with magnesium wheels, which are also nice, but I'm not going with those. The RC, I think, needs an oil change. I did the wheels last season, so they're good. And then the 06R1 needs new shoes as well, and an oil change. So you got to do all that work. But, you know, hey, that's the price you pay if you want to have this many bikes. So that's kind of it for now. Just wanted to put up a short little video. Probably have to do a little maintenance to this one still, and when I do, maybe I'll make a video about that. I got to change the starter in this. So I've seen a few videos out there, but maybe I'll try to do something a little better. And that's it. And at some point I want to do like a showcase between all days and have them shined up and out in the sun. And yeah, that's it for now, guys. Hope everyone's doing well. And another video will be coming shortly.